Breaking out for Brasco, I got one 2016 Clear Vision Football. I guess send those offers in. Taking offers on all those remaining teams. 13 left. Some good ones. Send those offers through IM or email, however you want. Whatever works for you. Starting us off, Aaron Donald, rookie Jonathan Bullard, Randall Cunningham. Andrew Luck, decoy. DeForest Buckner out of 99, Jerome Bettis. I can do it after the break, yeah. Barry Sanders. Beautiful patch right here. 15 to 25 Jarvis Landry. Demaryius Thomas. Jay Cutler, Eli Apple, Doug Flutie. Yeah, it was nice. Larry Fitzgerald, decoy. Out of 99, Kirk Cousins, Marcus Mariota. Last pack right here, so we got Warren Moon. Out of 49, A'Shawn Robinson, rookie, Russell Wilson. All right. Thanks for the break, man. I'm going to go run these out. I don't need clear vision and clear vision in here.